Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are having a closer look at the split press into a handstand. We will use yoga blocks. If you don't have any, grab something to elevate your feet. A nice comfortable split on the floor will help you use splits to press. It gives us a good compression feeling. Hey guys, my name is Yasuko and I'm a press handstand coach. My mission is to make press into a handstand an accessible skill even if you are not very athletic. Let's get started. We will use hamstring and core compression a lot today, and because I don't want to make this video long, we will combine wrists, shoulders and upper back warm-up too. Take the standing pancake position. Spread your legs apart wide enough so that you can place your palms underneath your shoulders in front of you. The big toes are pointing straight forward, not sideways. And now fold forward, hinge at your hip joint. Keep your back straight and push your hip backward with extended legs. Don't bend your knees. Inhale in the center, exhale pull backward. And inhale come to the center, exhale back. Move back and forth 5 times both ways. Your core is engaged, suck your belly in. Just quickly about my press handstand online beginners program. If you are struggling with nailing the pike press, it may help you to understand the press mechanics. Don't be overwhelmed to learn press handstand skills. It is an accessible skill for everyone at any age. Now place your elbows on the floor and press your sit bones up to the sky. Use your strong legs, heels are pressing down the floor, rib cage is lifted. You still suck your belly in towards the spine. There are 2 types of people who want to learn to press handstand. One is stronger while the other is more flexible. No matter which type you fall in, you have work ahead of you. This road won't be easy, but I can get you there. Just stay with me. My approach for handstand training is increasing your overall mobility. We are going to stretch now neck and trapezius muscles. Handstand tends to give tension and stiffness in this area. We just activate bloodstream for those muscles before we practice. Push your toes into the ground and shoot your hips upward to hold your balance. Your toes help you not fall over. Push as hard as you need. And keep breathing. Let's move on to next and we warm up our wrists. Place both elbows underneath your knees between both legs like so. Fingertips facing backward. Sit on your elbows and put your weight on them. Lean forward to hold your balance. Turn around your palms, fingers pointing forward and sit on your elbows again. Your elbows should squeeze in and push your chest forward, or let's say your chin towards the top of your mat. I hope you are well warmed up. Grab your blocks. We start with 2 blocks. Keep in your mind you raise your legs straight. Point that straight leg toe and lean forward with your supporting toe on the blocks. And lean forward more than you want to bring your entire body as vertically as possible. This is the first step. In case you cannot split your legs straight, it is more like a puppy press. You can bend the top leg and rotate aside. About the puppy press, you check my other video. I put the link down below in the description. Check that out. The next level is we are placing the palms closer than the previous practice. But again, for this, you will need good hip mobility and hamstring flexibility. If you cannot extend your legs in this position, do more hamstring and hip mobility stretches. I have another mobility routine video. You can also find the link down below. It might help to improve your overall lower body mobility. Place the palms as close as possible in front of your toes. So now we are aiming to press and go straight up. As soon as you take off, bring your supporting leg toe up towards the sky. That makes the balancing easier. Bend your supporting leg up and toe pointing, heel towards the buttock, alright? Now lean forward, take your time. Start to bend your supporting leg knee as quick as possible. Point that toe and bring the heel towards your buttock. And come back down. We do both sides. Let's switch the leg. Lean forward so that you feel the hips are above your shoulders, where you also feel there is coming lightness while you are shifting your weight forward. Just lean as long as necessary until you can bear your body weight on your arms. It's that simple. And same wise, you can decrease your elevation until you can take off from the ground without block. Keep practicing until you get it. Now I show you because I fail here. My sit bone doesn't reach above the shoulders and it was too heavy. I could not take off. You see it? The sit bone needs to come directly over the shoulders. Reaching this line is the key for successful press. After you nail this press, you can choose whatever you want to create your shape on top. Leg shape, transition, whatever. Be creative and build up your strength so that you can stay upright as long as necessary for your transition. So I hope this video gives you some ideas you can add in your handstand training. In my opinion, sticking to just 1 or 2 handstand shapes is not good enough to improve your skills. Be curious and try new shapes. By doing so, you will discover your strengths and weakness. Then another challenge is coming on your path. That means you have much more fun for your handstand journey. As I always mention, mobility works are the #1 priority on our handstand journey. The stretch exercise and handstands are matching perfectly to improve our skills and maintain our joints and muscle health. Also, there is no shortcut for mobility work. Just spend as much time as possible for your flexibility and mobility. Again, variation practice is the way to go, alright? I hope this video helps you to understand how your body should move and react to the right place at the right time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see me keep talking all about press handstands. Go ahead and drop your questions or comment if you have any about this video down below in the comment section. I will do my best to answer your comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all next week on Thursday. Enjoy your practice, my family.